Hello, this video provides the Guelph and Tri-City housing market stats for the month of April 2022. A shift in our local real estate market is beginning to show itself. With an influx of new listings and a lull in sales, prices have taken a moment of pause. Let's take a look at some of the key metrics relative to April of 2021. So for Guelph, the median sales price was $900,000, which is up by 26.6%. The average sale price per square foot was $527, which is up by 12.8%. The total number of listings was 452, which is up by 14.7%, and the total number of sales was 234, which was down by 24.5%. For the Tri-Cities in Kitchener, the median sales price was $835,000, which is up by 21%. In Waterloo, the median sales price was $800,000, which is up by 14.9%. And in Cambridge, it was $804,500, which is up by 14.9%. While there are still significant price increases year over year for each of these local markets, median sale prices are down across the board relative to the previous month of March 2022. The Guelph market is down by 1.8%, while Kitchener, Waterloo, and Cambridge are down by 1.8%, 2.8%, and 8.1% respectively. For each of these markets, the number of new listings are up month over month, while the number of sales are down. The only exception to this was in Cambridge, where the number of sales also increased. With increasing inventory and less sales, it isn't surprising to see a reversal in the sales price momentum. The unknown right now is whether this is going to be a temporary change in the market or will continue to go in this direction for months to come. What we do know is that the buyers who have struggled to enter the market when it was a hot seller's market have plenty of opportunity to enter the market now. If you stopped looking for a home due to the bidding wars and the continuous price increases, now may be a great opportunity to revisit the marketplace. If you need any help at all, please feel free to reach out to me. I'd be happy to help you out. Thanks for joining me and have a great day.